Well, we've spoken a lot this summer so far about the ambitions of Cardiff City now that they've been relegated down to League One from the Championship. But of course, now we're in the summer and things are starting to get a bit real for the club, realising that they are indeed in England's third tier and that they need to sort that out quickly, have a reset at the club. What are the ambitions for this season? Is it straight away to be promoted? Is it to consolidate? Because of course the club did need, let's be honest, a big reset. They've now brought in a new head coach, replacing Omariza as well. So, how does Cardiff approach this summer and the upcoming season? Will there be lots of will there be doubts if Cardiff aren't really toward the top end of the table come say the start of the winter and the turn of the year, or will supporters actually be thinking, okay, the club needed a lot of things to be changed in it, and so we can't rush their progress too much because just how poor things were last season in the Championship. So well, let's go now to our Wales sport correspondent, Charles Hague-Jones. Charles, what are Cardiff looking for this season under the new management, with perhaps fresh ambition from the board to really turn things around? What can we expect from Cardiff City as a club? Are they wanting to be promoted? Is that the aim? Is that exactly where they want to be? Or do they want to be challenging at the top, or do they realise that that's going to be quite an ask because of just where the club was? And do they actually need to consolidate for a bit of time? And even if that means pushing on towards the end of the season, but that fans shouldn't get too disappointed if things don't click straight away when the season gets underway in August. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, for Cardiff City, obviously, you look at the season, you look at it all on paper with the fixtures going to be released and the way things have gone across this summer so far. Obviously, Barry Murphy coming in, I mean, that's a massive appointment. It's an appointment with a bit of intent, I feel. There's simple steps to achieving League One, promotion at the moment. And firstly, it is sort of a bit of an overhaul, a bit of key departures. We've seen it with the likes of Wolves in the past, Birmingham City last season, Wrexham on the rise as well. But in terms of the first two, there they went down from the Championship in dire straits, in dire need of a bit of revival. And Cardiff City are going to have to use Birmingham City as a bit of an example, a bit of a case study. Obviously, not as easy without that huge investment from overseas. But it's real simple that these are things they have to get right. These are things they have to get done early as well. You mentioned when relegation happens, it's all about rebuilding, and however quick that takes, you can be stuck down there for a number of seasons. Look at the likes of Sunderland, who are now back in the Premier League after all that time as well. So yeah, it's obviously a massive ambition to get promoted. They won't really want to mess around. They want nothing less than promotion. You feel that at the end of the day, it's cautious but hopeful, and you feel that anything but promotion, but returning to the Championship at the first time of asking, will be a failure. And the Cardiff fans will believe in that. They'll believe because they have such high expectations of this group. You look at the young players, the exciting youngsters throughout the side who are obviously left out of the Wales squad as well for the last sort of World Cup qualifying campaign, and that shows the sort of where Cardiff City are at as a group, as a team, as a club at the moment. They are just falling short. But they are entering this post-relegation reset. They need to ensure it. Obviously, they've got the new manager in. Barry Murphy comes with a load of experience. I feel it could be a real perfect match. He's helped get the best out of the likes of Cole Palmer, Romeo Lavia at Manchester City. So he's got a load of experience, a load of focus on youth, and I feel that's where Cardiff are going to get this right. Vincent Tan said he's involved. He's really happy with Barry Murphy as the appointment, managerial wise. And Barry Murphy's words have been fantastic since he first joined. He's really getting a statement out there that this is the club he wants. This is the ambition, the project that he wants to build in with Cardiff City, and he's hoping it can all go to plan. And I'm sure Cardiff City fans are very excited for what's to come. They've got to enjoy League One. They can't just change it. They can't change the past now. They have to enjoy it. They have to relish it, and hopefully go up at the first time of asking.